Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make Telegram channel in your phone. It's gonna be very easy and simple tutorial. So first, obviously you can open your Telegram app, and this is my Telegram. And then you can just click this icon here in the bottom right corner. And then as you can see, there is option to create new channel. You can click on it. And then you can name your channel, maybe my channel, just for example, and then you can add the description if you want. Don't have description. And then you can click this check in the top right corner, and then you can choose either public channel or private channel. So if you choose public channel, everyone can find it, and then also can join. And for private channel, only people that you share the link can join, and you have to accept them. Let's say I want to make it public, then you can create the username, maybe my channel, just like that, and then you can add your contact here, maybe this one, and then continue in the top right corner, and then it's done.